Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to group emails in Outlook, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. This is Outlook. First of all, open your mailbox and then go to the View tab. Click on Current View and select View Settings. For some users, View Settings would be in the direct menu. Then go to the Group by column. Uncheck this checkbox associated with automatically group according to arrangement. Now you would have 4 levels of grouping, like first you can start with category, then by CC and so on. You can also change it from ascending to descending. Once you have done your selections, please click on OK and then click on OK once again, and all of these would be grouped. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.